cheap tricks. Not one of these is a cheap trick. Except for the cheap trick. The bass player, cheap trick. That one involves extensive hair extensions. Now, if you don't mind, I am off to prepare for
Good job, Auden.
He's performing that he's not coming. Why do you ask?
You're gonna clear that coffee table, huh?
To perform that he's not coming.
Was it worth it? And you still trying to get the camera. You are a one of a kind, baby doll. There we go.
She's not coming. Sooner or later,
Does the remote control comfort you?
he's not coming.
Hey, you were standing for a long time though. That's good. Whee!
Like go get a husband. Totally.
Okay, you guys just stop that. Seriously. The last thing I am looking for right now is a relationship.
When you pick up that newspaper, be sure to check.